The time has come to unload your fiber reinforcement filament. Before we get started, all we will need is some tape. To begin the unloading procedure, we will navigate to the Unload Plastic utility. We'll select Menu, Materials, Unload Fiber. Once prompted, we will press Next on the screen to disable the fiber extruder. Once the extruder is disabled, we will carefully wind up the remaining fiber filament back onto the spool. It is important that we keep one hand near the end of the feed tube to make sure we can grab the filament once it is free from the tube to help prevent the fiber from unspooling. We will then tape the end of the fiber filament and press Next on the printer's touchscreen. At this point, we can press Load Fiber to load a different spool of fiber, or we can select Not Now to exit the routine.